today. I'm in the bar making afternoon cocktails, and what we're making today is honey lemonade cocktail. And it's one of the simplest recipes you'll find for an afternoon cocktail. And if you're having a patio party, this is perfect because all you need is lemonade, and I'm making it very simple by using simply lemonade. And if you have a lemonade recipe that you enjoy, be sure and use your favorite. And then you'll need Yukon Jack honey, which is a honey flavored whiskey. And I have been to 4 liquor stores looking for a decent sized bottle of Yukon Jack honey, but I think it's very popular because almost everywhere I went was completely sold out of the honey Yukon Jack. I did find it without the honey. However, with the help of the manager, we found these little sample bottles. So I bought 6 of these because that's all they had. And each one of these is 50 milliliters. Now 50 milliliters is about 1.69 fluid ounces. And in the US, a shot is 1.5 ounces. So this is a little larger than a shot. But that's okay because we're going to use equal parts of the Yukon Jack honey and lemonade. So it can't be more simple than that. So let's get started. I'm going to start by cutting a lemon, and I'm going to use it as a garnish. And that is simple enough. You can add a sprig of mint, but I think that might be a bit overpowering with the honey, but you might give it a try. So we have our lemon slices. We're going to use a shaker, and I'm going to use 1 bottle per cocktail. Now I'm making 2 cocktails, so I'm going to put 2 of these in here. Now I suggest if you find the larger bottles that, yes, you can smell the honey in it. I would either measure out 1.5 ounces or 2 ounces depending on how strong you want your cocktail. So we're going to go with the 1.69 sample bottle measurement. So we have those 2, and then I'm going to measure out almost 2 ounces of lemonade per cocktail. There's almost 2 ounces and another 2 ounces. Let's add ice. And you know what? Since I'm going to take these out, I'm going to put just a touch of ice in each glass to keep it cold. Because I like to start with everything cold. You can see this is sweating because it was in the refrigerator. Begin with as many cold ingredients as you can because then the cocktail will stay cold longer. Let's set this aside. I'm going to shake this up. Get it super cold. Look at that. And then we're going to pour our honey lemonade cocktail. Let's make them even. Does that look even? I think so. And then we're going to garnish it with lemon. Let me take the lemon seed out of that and garnish this with a slice of lemon. There we go. And this one. Now, like I said, if you have mint, then you could garnish it with mint as well. But I do not have any mint right now, so we're going to use straws and lemons. Let me try this. Wow, this is really, really good. Oh, I like that. I am going to add a splash of lemonade though, because I want to be able to sip on this for a while. And that is one of those stronger cocktails, but it's yummy. Oh, now you can taste a bit more lemon. I was tasting a lot of honey. Now, you can adjust it to your taste, honey or lemon. So just adjust it to whichever flavor you want to bring out, the lemon or the honey. So this is so simple and so perfect for those afternoons on the patio. So find your Yukon Jack honey and some lemonade, a little ice, and a lemon. And you've got it. That's it. I hope you've enjoyed this because it's a super easy recipe. And if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And you might want to tap that subscribe button because I have lots of other little ideas for summertime entertaining. And you can follow me on Instagram. Bye.